Do you lie awake at night, wondering why wealth seems to flow effortlessly to others, while your bank account stays stubbornly stagnant? What if I told you it's not luck, not connections, not even hard work alone? It's your brain, wired for scarcity or abundance. And that wiring holds the key. Yes, you can train your brain to attract wealth, to spot opportunities like a magnet, to turn ideas into income streams that multiply while you sleep. I've watched it transform lives, including mine, from scraping by to building empires. Stick with me right now, because today I'm handing you the exact blueprint. No fluff, no hype, just proven steps to reprogram your mind for money. By the end, you will shift from chasing dollars to dollars chasing you. Let's dive in. So many dreamers ask, is it really possible to train your brain for more money? The answer? Absolutely yes. Let me share how I started rewiring mine. Years back, I was stuck in a cycle of just getting by jobs, always one bill away from stress. Then I met a mentor who flipped the script. He said, your brain isn't broken, it's just programmed for survival, not surplus. We set goals for the lifestyle I craved: freedom to travel, security for my family, impact through giving back. That clarity was the spark. If you're not earning what you deserve right now, start here. Get crystal clear on the exact amount you want. Break it down. Say $100,000 a year. That's $8,333 a month. $1,923 a week. Write it. Feel its weight. This isn't wishful thinking. It's neural targeting. Your brain thrives on specificity. It activates the reticular activating system, that inner filter scanning for paths to your goal, ignoring distractions. As the Chinese proverb wisely teaches, dig the well before you're thirsty. Don't wait for financial drought to scramble. Plan your wealth well in advance. Clarity is your shovel. Define your target income, and your brain starts digging opportunities you once overlooked. Side hustles, negotiations, investments. Without this, you're wandering in fog, effort wasted. With it, laser focus turns maybe someday into money now. Step 2. Craft a simple, powerful affirmation. Mine, I am so happy and grateful that I am now earning $10,000 a month. Yours, customize it. Make it personal, positive, present tense. Read it every morning upon waking, 5 to 10 times, eyes locked on the words. Then, every night before bed, repeat the ritual. Why? Repetition rewires neural pathways, embedding abundance as your default. Feel the gratitude surge, like the money's already yours. This isn't woo-woo. Science backs it. Affirmations light up the prefrontal cortex, that executive center for problem solving, creativity, and decision making. The same region geniuses like Einstein tapped to unlock breakthroughs. But don't stop at words. Visualize. Close your eyes after affirming and mentally rehearse receiving that wealth. See the deposit hit your account. $10,000 flashing on screen. Feel the thrill, the freedom to pay bills effortlessly. Surprise your family with vacations. Donate to causes that move you. Picture the impact. Your community's uplift, friends inspired, legacy secured. Dive into the emotions like a Hollywood actor owning the scene. Joy, security, power. This mental movie primes your subconscious, making wealth feel real, inevitable. Your brain can't distinguish vivid imagination from reality. It starts attracting what you vividly expect. Tie in another ancient gem. Wealth is accumulated by thrift, not by chance. As you visualize, see not just earning, but wise spending, saving seeds for tomorrow's harvest. Chinese wisdom reminds us a penny saved is potential income multiplied. Train your brain to view money as a tool for growth, not just consumption. Affirm earning, but envision stewarding it. Investments compounding, debts dissolving, generosity flowing. This balanced mindset, earn boldly, spend mindfully, creates sustainable wealth magnets. For bonus acceleration, build a vision board. Digital on your phone or physical on the wall, doesn't matter. Cut or curate images of your $10,000 month life. The sleek car symbolizing mobility. Exotic beaches for recharge. A home radiating security. Charity checks changing lives. Pin yourself in the scenes. Photoshop if needed. Stare at it daily, letting it seep into your subconscious. This isn't decoration, it's neural programming. Your brain, bombarded with these visuals, hunts real-world matches, networking events, skill upgrades, bold asks that land raises or clients. Vision boards activate the same pathways as real experiences, pulling wealth towards you like gravity. Now, layer in action, because brain training without boots-on-ground moves is fantasy. Every day, after your morning affirmation and visualization, ask, what can I do today to make this income real? 1 or 2 steps. Email a potential mentor. Upskill via a course. Pitch a service. Track expenses to free cash for investing. Physical action reinforces mental rehearsal, closing the loop. Your brain notices synchronicities, opportunities disguised as challenges, and guides you. I did this. Visualized $10,000 months, acted on daily prompts, networked relentlessly, refined offers, and watched income climb. From stagnant to surging, all because my trained brain spotted paths others missed. Consider this proverb. Don't stand by the water longing for fish. Go home and weave a net. Passive wishing won't net wealth. Active preparation does. Train your brain to weave. Affirm abundance. Visualize flows. Act decisively. Thrift complements earning. A penny coming in every day is better than a sudden windfall. Consistent small inflows, saved wisely, build fortunes. Avoid impulse spends. Let discipline direct dollars to assets. Your brain, attuned to this, attracts steady streams, commissions, residuals, appreciations, while curbing leaks. Expand the practice. Mornings prime for possibility. Affirm, visualize, act. Nights seal it. Review wins. Gratitude for progress. Rehearse tomorrow's triumphs. Consistency compounds. Week 1 feels forced. Month 1, habitual. Year 1, automatic. Your subconscious, now a wealth ally, whispers ideas midday. Call that contact. Cut that subscription. Invest in that course. Neuroscience confirms. Repetition strengthens myelin, speeding neural signals for quicker, smarter money moves. Obstacles? Normal. Doubt creeps? Counter with affirmation bursts. Low motivation? Recall the feeling from visualization. Gratitude's pull stronger than temporary dips. Surround with reminders. Phone wallpaper of your goal amount. Notes app with daily questions. Track progress. Journal income shifts. Celebrate milestones. This feedback loop reinforces. Brain learns, wealth works, accelerating attraction. Financial freedom isn't overnight. It's neural overhaul. But start today. Clarity sets the target. Affirmations embed belief. Visualization evokes certainty. Actions manifest. Thrift Proverbs guide. Earn diligently, spend thriftily. Knowledge by diligence, wealth by thrift. Balance inflow with outflow wisdom. Attract more by valuing what flows. Imagine 6 months from now. Bank alerts pinging $10,000 deposits. Lifestyle upgraded. Impact rippling. That's your trained brain at work, spotting deals, negotiating wins, creating value that pays premiums. Friends, ask your secret. I train my mind to attract it. You're not hoping, you're harvesting what you've programmed. One more proverb seals it. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best is now. Don't delay. Plant your wealth seeds today. Affirm, visualize, act. Thrift wisely. Your brain, now tuned for abundance, will draw rivers of riches. You've got the power. Train it. Wealth awaits. Go make it yours.